Alright, yeah.
Exit. Try the back exit, okay? Try the back exit.
Alright, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, it should be one way.
Yeah, try the back exit. We need to get to First Street so that we can, you know, get to my barber quickly.
Oh yeah,
No. No. Not that one. To the left.
Oh yeah, left turn. It's actually
Yeah.
perfect too. Oh yeah. Oof. That works. Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, so everything here is in a one way. Okay, that's fine. Is it even possible to make a U-turn at that light? Maybe you can.
Yeah. I think from this one, yeah.
Yeah, take a U-turn.
Facility.
It's okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay. I actually remember this one. It's like if I feel hot, open the window.
Yeah, no,
I'm gonna text Joy. I'm gonna text Joy.
CBS News Time 11:32. For a long time, car makers were struggling to find the parts to produce enough cars. Now more cars are being made.
I thought Tom said something about the boat from coming out, I guess for Fleetly, or
Yeah.
yeah, it was yeah, or around.
Okay, outer left turn. Outer left turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, there will be an event here tomorrow also.
Oh wow. Oh.
Yeah, there will be an event here tomorrow. It's the car show.
Oh, wow.
Old cars.
Wow.
Yeah. That's why the fences are out. They'll be closing off Grant Avenue between 1st and 7th.
Oh, no wonder. Oh.
Yeah, so that's why this place will get a little bit busy.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, my Vallejo, they were doing every Sunday by someone on Springs Road by the
In Vallejo.
yeah, got car show every week now.
Oh God.
Last couple of months.
Oh God.
It's-
Okay. Alright, so right turn at Grant, not the first traffic light you see. That's for the pedestrian crossing here and the McDonald's. This is where I get picked up usually.
Oh yeah. Oh.
If I need to, you know, like if I need to be picked up, this is where I get picked up.
Oh wow.
Not.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, were you aware of what happened to 810?
No.
810 suddenly shut off yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah. Not that barber shop. I went there. Okay, but no, not really. Okay, so now find parking. So okay, so go one block over, and then let's find parking. Yeah.
Alright, it's for the
Hey, this is really the heart now of downtown Novato.
yeah, no, it's okay.
I think I found one.
Oh.
No, not that one.
It's from right here.
Yeah, this one. Good. This is good. Perfect. Good. Okay. Very good. Well, all right. So let's go to my barber.
Oh yeah.
He's right there.